In this video tutorial, I will provide you with help to remove the adware called RadioDiskInput. RadioDiskInput is the adware attacking many Mac computers today. This adware called RadioDiskInput, once installed, starts to display many junk advertisements. It may also redirect the browser to a lot of dangerous places in the internet. If this RadioDiskInput was somehow installed to your computer, definitely you need to undertake the measures and remove this nasty adware. To remove it, you need to check your applications on your Mac, right-click on this adware and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to restart your device with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and start restarting your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.